My challenge has always been against myself. This feeling of how I can do better than what I did yesterday. And one of the greatest attributes I have is taking action. And what also brought me to where I am today was having an attitude of taking action. I created a habit of taking action, intentional action, to get what I want. One of my favorite quotes from Dr. Joe, where he says that your thoughts create your feeling drives action, and your action then creates your result. Let me repeat that for you. Your thoughts create your feeling drives action, your action then creates your result. You see, it always starts with a thought, and that thought is going to determine your feeling. And if that thought is negative, it drives a negative action, and the outcome, of course, will be negative. You see, everything in life is just a series of things that is easy. You just have to take that first step. Take intentional action. Jordan Peterson made this example and he said, belief is a regulated emotion. So what happens is that you act out your identity and you act out your beliefs in the world, but what you want doesn't seem to happen. And now your body defaults into an emergency preparation for action. And the reason for that is that you've wandered too far away from your goal post. Now you find yourself somewhere lost, confused, or maybe naked. So what you do? Well, you don't know what to do. So now you're prepared to do anything and everything. However, the problem with that is it becomes psychophysiologically draining. It's painful, it hurts. And the end result is you end up staying in that same place. So now you might be asking yourself or wondering, but what does feeling overwhelmed or depressed have to do with taking action? Well, it has everything to do with taking action. Imagine yourself in a state you don't know which way to go. You're mentally tired. This is the time when you have to take action against this feeling. I said earlier on, it always starts with a thought, and that thought creates a feeling. So what if you start taking action by changing your thoughts to how you want the outcome to be? I made this analogy some time ago. Famous scripture from the Bible, where it says that one should have faith like a mustard seed. And most people don't know how small a mustard seed is. And as I said, look at it from this perspective. If you have just a little bit of positivity in your negative state, just a little bit, that's when you'll be able to break out of your negative situation. Taking action with a little bit of belief and faith will definitely take you out of your negative state. Again, start taking action to what you want. No one has ever been successful just by receiving. You have to take action. If you want your situation to change, take action. I want you to make a pact with me today that you will start taking action. Start taking action on your goals. No more procrastination, no more laziness, no more thinking that it will never happen to me. Remember, you can do it no matter what your circumstance is. It only requires you to take action. No more excuses.